Stay looking cute and stylish in these shoes from Chinese Laundry. These will give you a synthetic upper, and I love this strappy design because it's open and breezy and super stylish with these adjustable buckle closures and cute little studs. They have an easy slip-on construction with an open toe, so it's going to be so nice to slip on during the summer. And the footbed has a lot of padding to give you a comfortable ride. The midsole has this cute stitching wrapping all the way around it, and it will actually give you a little boost in height. These sit all on top of a grooved synthetic outsole to help with traction on your feet. And I think these will look great with some wide leg jeans and a little bodysuit.